Hello, my shadow crafters. How are you today? Thank you for stopping by. I'm doing another haul. This time it's from Dollar Tree. Let's see what we got here. I love these confetti tubes. They're like awesome. And I found oh, this is the new one. I've already got these two before, but I like this. This is like Christmas. And I found new glitter. I always try to get whatever kind of blues I can. And I found some more metallic markers. I think they're pretty cool. I haven't tried them yet, but for $1 we'll see. What else? This is for orders I may have to take. No biggie, right? I already sold one thing, but I'm working on more. I got this to show size when I show a picture of any of my work. And this I found there too. Resin packs and stirs and stuff like that there. So these were the last two in the store, so I nabbed them. You can never do with too many of these. And last but not least, little jars I can stick my glitters in. Now that's awesome. Okay, thank you for stopping by. See you next time. Have a good day. Namaste.